Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best coffee makers. So let's get started. Number 7. Technivorm Moccamaster KBG. The Technivorm Moccamaster 59616 KBG coffee brewer is a sturdy machine that uses copper heating elements for precise temperature and a glass carafe to collect your coffee. It's on the pricier end of the scale, but it does all of the hard work for you. SCA certified, you know that it's brewing your beans with tender, loving care. Once your carafe is full, you can choose whether you want the hot plate at 175 degrees or 185 degrees Fahrenheit depending on your preferences. If you can't wait to have a cup, all you have to do to pause the brew and snag a pour is pull the carafe out. The Moccamaster will start again when you replace it. Number 6. OXO on Barista Brain. Another great SCA certified model, the Barista Brain by OXO actually brews using a microprocessor controlled brew process and thermal heating control. That is a fancy way of saying this machine does its best to replicate a pour-over brewing method, including using a rainmaker shower head and a pre-infusion to bloom the coffee grounds. The LED interface features a freshness indicator, and the single dial on the front allows you to program the number of cups, as well as a 24-hour start timer. OXO has been specializing in kitchen and housewares since its California debut in 1990, where Sam Farber introduced more comfortable kitchen utensils for people like his wife, who suffered from arthritis. Today, OXO has brought their easy-to-use philosophy to other areas of kitchen life like the Brain Barista. Number 5. Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. After Ninja debuted its well-received Ninja Coffee Bar, they stepped up their game and created 2 new coffee makers. The new model we especially like is the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. A simple dial mechanism lets you choose from 6 different brew sizes: single cup, XL cup, travel mug size, XL multi-serve, half carafe, and full carafe, and 4 different brew types: classic, rich, over ice, and specialty. We're particularly impressed with the super rich specialty coffee concentrate option, which really brings out the flavor in more high-end coffee beans. Ninja's specialty coffee brewer is also quieter than the Ninja Coffee Bar, which is Ninja's older model that we reviewed here. Number 4. Bonavita BV 1900 TS. Unlike most of the machines listed here, the Bonavita BV 1900 TS brewer full review here uses a flat head filter and large shower head designed to reach optimal saturation of the beans. There's even an optional pre-infusion mode, which is definitely recommended, that mimics the action baristas take to let coffee bloom. This attention to detail, the precise 1500 watt heater that keeps the brewing temp between 198 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, and the unique pre-infusion mode gave this the seal of approval from the Specialty Coffee Association. Read more. Number 3. Zojirushi ECYGC 120. Zojirushi has been around since 1918 and creating products inspired by everyday life. They provide a variety of kitchen products, including the Fresh Brew Plus, which is a great option if you like your brew iced as much as you like it hot. Using the Japanese method, the glass carafe, which can handle 12 cups of warm coffee and 6 cups of cold, has a special insert to put ice. Once brewed, it's flash frozen as it drips into the carafe. There's no need to worry about diluting with this butte, though, because the machine adjusts based on the iced coffee water measure lines. Number 2. BUNN BT Velocity Brew. BUNN has been a player in the coffee industry for quite a while now. Founded more than 170 years ago in Springfield, Illinois, BUNN is still owned by the BUNN family. The BT Velocity Brew Coffee Maker is another unique model in their lineup. Rather than being on or off, this machine constantly keeps the water tank heated. On top of being ready whenever you want, it brews up to 10 cups in only 3 minutes. Now that's what I call on demand. To keep your coffee comfortably warmed, the Velocity boasts a dual-wall, vacuum-insulated thermal carafe that holds heat for 2 hours. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 48464. Affordable and quality typically meet very well in the Hamilton Beach brand, and the Brew Station Summit Coffee Maker is no exception. While it brews 12 cups like a traditional brew station, it features a unique enclosed brewing system, benefits of which include hot coffee for up to 4 hours. Press the dispenser bar and fill your mug all morning long, and, if you need more, the removable internal water reservoir makes it super easy to fill and brew more.